In this video, we're going to be looking at finding the perimeter of a shape. When we're finding the perimeter of a shape, we're finding the total distance around the whole of the shape. In terms of this rectangle, that would mean adding all the lengths and the widths together. Let's start by finding the perimeter for the following shapes. For the first question, we have a rectangle. The question has already provided us with the measurements for one of the lengths and one of the widths. Since it is a rectangle, we know that both the lengths have to be equal. Similarly, both the widths have to be equal. Therefore, for the bottom length, we know it has to be 9 centimeters, and the width on the right, we know it has to be 3 centimeters. Now to find the perimeter of the shape, you have to add up the distance along all the sides. So for the first question, you have to do 9 plus 3 plus 9 plus 3, which equals 24. So the perimeter of that shape is 24 centimeters. For the next question, we have a triangle. Again, to find the perimeter, all you have to do is add up the distance along all the edges. In this case, you would do 3 plus 5 plus 4, which adds up to 12 centimeters. Now pause this video and try these questions on your own, and then I'll go through the answers. For the first question here, we have an irregular trapezium. Again, all you have to do is add up all the sides. So you would do 1 meter plus 3 meters plus 5 meters plus 4 meters, which gives you a total of 13 meters. For the second question, we have a square. The question has provided us with the length of one side. In a square, we know that all sides are equal. Therefore, all sides must be 6 meters long. Now to find the perimeter of the square, you can do it in two different ways. You could either add the 6's 4 times, which means 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6, which gives you 24 meters, or do 6 multiplied by 4, since there are 4 equal sides, which also gets you to the answer 24 meters. Here we have a slightly more challenging question. Again, to find the perimeter of the shape, you simply have to add up all the lengths of all the sides. However, before we do that, we need to work out the missing length marked x. In order to work out the missing length marked x, we can see that the length marked 15 meters is equal to this length, and this length all added together. Therefore, 5 plus x plus 6 equals 15. This equation can be used to solve x. 11 plus x would then equal 15, so x equals 15 minus 11, which means 4. Now that we know the length of all the sides, to find the perimeter of the shape, we simply add up all the sides. So when we add all these sides together, we get our answer as 42 meters. Here is a similar question. Try this on your own and then you can check your answers. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please comment below.